Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw Sweatcoin to PayPal. First of all, open up the web browser. Now search here how to withdraw Sweatcoin to PayPal. Then scroll down and click to open the sweatcoinblog.com site. Scroll down on site and as you can see there is no direct process to exchange or withdraw Sweatcoin to PayPal. But there are different forms through which you can get PayPal money for your Sweatcoins. You can go on Facebook and Instagram and try to find people to sell their coins even at 100 at a time. As you cannot directly do through the Sweatcoin app, so you need to purchase coins through Facebook or Instagram, which will be transferred into your PayPal account. Then you can withdraw your money from PayPal. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.